This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the tools and stabilizing the fabric. This saves time and prevents puckering. Thread one needle with doubled polyester and tie a small knot. Once done, align the hook on the garment edge and pin through existing stitch holes or mark a new spot about 1/8 to 1/4 inch from the hem. Make one small anchoring stitch through fabric under the hook to hold it steady. This first stitch sets the tension and location for the repair. You now focus on strength. Sew through the metal base repeatedly with small, even stitches so the load spreads across fibers. Once the hook feels anchored, make 3 to 5 tiny bar tack stitches or a neat figure eight around the hook's shank to lock the thread. Make sure to stitch into the interfacing or doubled fabric if present, because that reduces tear-through. As you work, lift the fabric and check alignment. If it shifts, unpick the last 2 stitches and reposition before continuing, so the closure will meet cleanly. You finish by locking the thread with 3 secure knots and hiding the end inside the fabric layers so it won't snag. Once trimmed, test the hook and eye through a few normal opening and closing motions to confirm alignment and feel. If it pulls or tests loose, unpick and move the hook slightly closer to the edge or add a small fabric patch or lightweight interfacing beneath the area. That distributes stress and prevents repeat failure. If still stubborn, replace with a new hook and die set, sized to the garment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.